Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Aware of Jobs. Today I discuss about the work from home jobs, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, blogging, vlogging, content writing, call center, customer care, service, data entry in medical transcription, graphics designer, translators, online teacher, tutor, US staffing, recruiter, virtual assistant. These are the top 10 genuine work from home jobs. Work from home essentials. Set up a functional workspace. We need to place our laptop or desktop in a workspace. Use phone call apps like Skype, WhatsApp, Google Hangouts. We require the high speed internet, noise cancelling headphones or earphones. Affiliate marketing, digital marketing. Digital marketing is about advertising the company products through digitally, means by using social media technologies like internet, television, radio, e-commerce, e-newspaper, emails. In these ways, we can advertise our company products digitally. Affiliate marketing is about promoting company products on your personal blogs, personal websites, Facebook pages, YouTube channels, where we can earn a commission every time someone who purchases that product through you. Blogging, vlogging. Blogging is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web, where bloggers can blog their interested topics on daily basis and attract the people to see the blogs on their websites. Vlogging is a form of blog is the activity of posting short videos or maintaining a vlogs like YouTube channels, Facebook pages, LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram and attracts the people to watch their videos. Content writing. Content writer is works for the company's website called web content writer, which he specializes in providing relevant content for their company's websites to reach more audience and requires the most relevant content to attract business. For these content writers, SEO process is very helpful. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing website information to improve the business needs. Call center customer care service. Call center services solves customer queries and provide necessary resolution to them. Customer care service is something when company is providing additional support to its customers and handling different kinds of customers complaints or issues. Data entry in medical transcription. In medical transcription jobs where people with excellent typing skills and medical knowledge to convert the doctor's medical voice recordings into transcriptions. Many companies hiring for these positions usually require some experience, but in some conditions the candidates who have recently completed a medical transcription certification program will also be considered for these medical transcription jobs. Here we are converting the medical voice recorders into transcriptions. We are generating the transcriptions here. Graphics designer. Graphics designer creates visual effects, visual concepts using computer software or by hand. These graphics designers are very popularly working in film industry and social media websites. They develop overall layout and production design for advertisements, brochures, magazines, and reports. Translators. Translator job interprets written or spoken material into one or more other languages. A translator should aware of two or more languages means that the translator will translate one language to another language. They are converting the one language data into the another language. Online teacher or tutor. Online tutoring is a process of teaching about academic training and also giving software training online, virtually or networked environment where teachers and learners participate from separate physical locations. The teacher will explain online to the learners. US Staffing Recruiter. United States Staffing Recruiter is a talent acquisition industry which brings HR departments of the clients. Here we fulfilling the job requirements on all technologies. We are finding the relevant job opportunities for the consultants, training and placement for the consultants in United States. Virtual Assistant. Virtual assistant is a self-employed worker who specializes in offering administrative services to clients from a remote location, usually a home office. Virtual assistant might perform include scheduling appointments, making phone calls, travel arrangements, and managing email accounts. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos. Keep watching. Thank you.